Hi guys, it's me Kailey, and before I say this, the amount of times I've tried to record this without something happening is ridiculous. Anyway, so welcome to Animal Jam, and this is a website in which you play as your own virtual character. Now I'm called Snowdrop18, of course, because of my rabbit Snowdrop, who you may or may not have seen. Yes, Snowdrop. Shush. In one of my previous videos. So, this is Animal Jam, basically. Now, what's going on in the Jammer Journal before anything? Just in time for the Night of the Phantoms, pet tarantulas return to Jamar. Visit the diamond... dang it, why the hell does my membership have to run out 2 days before this event? Anyway, this is, no, I'm gonna have no pet for a bit. Oh, quick peek there. So this is me. I am this player, this character. Let's bring Honeybug with me. And you are a animal, basically. Now, you can change if you would like. You can change. You have an animal name in which you can change. Hang on. In which you can change. So basically, you so you go into settings and you can have your animal name. So mine is Princess Daisy Gem because I just couldn't think. And then you can have your username. Now my username is Snowdrop18, as I said. But for now, I'm gonna just be Princess Daisy Gem, but because I just feel like it. The glitched one has black stripes. No. So I'm gonna show you around. I can't show you underwater bits until I get my membership back because all my underwater characters basically are gone. Now I'm gonna show you the second place where you can spawn. Now, wait, what's going on? Anyway, so this is oh, she's so cute. Anyway, there we go. Dang it. Anyway, so this is the main place where you spawn. Unless, well, I spawned if this place is full. Now I'm just gonna quickly, I don't want to go in the arcade even though it's my favourite place. You run around being whatever animal you feel like. And the only trouble is, this is where the majority of trading goes on. So if I go into trade, I have my member wings on and my horn leg pads. I think I have something else I want to put on trade though, don't I? I might just buy some random things and just put them on trade. Yeah, I've got that. I don't need it. But, so, this is Animal Jam basically. So, let's run around and quickly show you some of the buildings. Now, this Jam with the like, I'll play that later. You don't need a horse. You put one in. No, I'm sorry. Please move. You move. Wait. Now, this is the basic. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about it. Oh, dang it. Why is it so... I don't want to be a Nile. I want to be... I'm done. Now, as you saw, that is called the Pillow Room. Dare no, undo my knee hate. What? If I just go in here. Okay, so this is the best I can get, guys. this is where basically adopting goes on, because it's roleplay in here. So I can say my song. Nah, you're not. It's basically, you say, who will adopt me? Yeah, you see, who will adopt me? Like I'm a lonely, I am a orphan, yeah, sort of stuff. But I don't do it, I just go, and I just do, you can put emojis or stuff, whatever you want. Hey, dude, can I have a spike? Dude, I want a non-member. I've actually done non-member spikes anyway. Anyway. Dude, she's way gonna do it. So, this is the, she's way gonna scam him, I can tell by my eye. Anyway, so, in here is here, and then I feel like I really don't want to be in here. Yeah, so, what is that? Dude, where am I? Dude, where the hell am I? Dude, where am I? Dang it, I'm getting it, I'm going, but no! The Phantom Vortex. I don't bloody want to be here. Just get me out. Dang it. So let's show you a Ponderdale. One of the deepest and darkest places. So this is a Ponderdale. This is where you adopt hamster. Dude, I haven't clicked this one before. Okay, back in the Ponderdale. No, and it went. You can. This is a very uncommon place that people come unless they're adopting, putting the animals in the pet stop. Which is basically just washing them, which I can't do until I get my membership. Yeah. In there, I think there's a breeze that sucks. This is Munch Shiver, and I love this place because it's my heaven right now. I haven't got these, but why does nobody knows it? No. Wait, have I got them? Oh yeah, I have. What is that? That's a red panda. What? I swear to God, what was that? That looked really dark. Anyway. What's that? Oh, it's another bat fort. Not am I going there yet? You can have little races. You could. This is just my. Dude, I need to get that eagle. No. I swear to I suck at this game. So you've got a hot tub, but my favourite feature here. This is why I love this place so much. It's got cocoa. It's a hot cocoa machine. I love cocoa. Okay, let's make in there. Let's make it blue because I like blue. I want to make it red. I want to make it like really come out. I want to make it like that. And then you can't have it without cream. Or chocolate. See, heaven. Yum. What have we even got in here anyway? Dude, I really want to do something. I am trying to get. Do have a look that I like, but I'm not wearing it right now because it's member items. So, did I not show? Here's Kimbra. Oh wow, this is Kimbra. Now this is a very lonely place. Dude, is that a glitch? Yeah, it's a glitch wolf. Then you have this place. Wait, actually, which is... Wait, is it in here or is it... Well, here we go. Wolf rescue. Look. No, it's not in here, is it? I don't know. Anyway, let's go to... thing I've not been in Superior Forest. Now, this is another place where lots of roleplay goes. where a wolf clan happens lots, which I'm actually in a wolf clan, and you're wondering, why are you in a wolf clan? I have a boy wolf. I want a boy wolf because I thought, no, I just like seeing people just being idiots and just saying, well, you're dead, man. I'm like, no. I'm a girl. Can I not just have a boy name on it? See, I can be a girl if I want. Nah, but I like my look. It's sick. Usually there's a lot of wolf clans going on, but there isn't at the moment, which is upsetting. My wolf clan was meant to be, but they're not here. Anyway, let's show you the Temple of Zeus. I don't know. What did he do? He got me. Quite another bit of roleplay, guys, here. And also, I made a little bit of a vine here as well, saying, who broke it? Who broke it? And then, no. And then there was this one guy, like, really quiet, and he said, such and such is being very quiet. Dude, he's a python. Have I got a mouse? Don't even think it's a thing that you have to get. I don't care, I will. So oh no, shit, I need to get them needlefish. Dude, where's this? Where am I? No! Why? Is this? What the F is going on? This is training grounds. This is how you begin. Look, they're saying this is your enemy and such. Can I not go? I just want to go. Dude, no. I'm exiting. Anyway. This is here. There's Brady Bar's laboratory. Now I'm gonna show you my second favorite part. The beach. Ooh. No, I bloody got in here again. I don't want to be in here. You have water slides, which makes it even better. And then you get your pet wash, but I can't use it. The pet wash at the moment. So this is based, and also there's a flamingo that just is constantly there. Then there's this muddy hut, and let's just make a lovely. Let's make a strawberry smoothie. Maybe these could be slashed though. I don't know. And I want a banana. No, I just swapped it for my cover, didn't I? Okay, I don't care. But guys, this is Animal Jam, and if you guys want to see some vines on here, maybe just funny, weird things, just let me know, and I'll do it. Especially on here, because I love doing vines on here. So, bye guys.